Let's be honest, running a field service team is hard. You've got technicians out on the road, you've got customers waiting at home, you've got a dispatcher trying to keep track of everything with a spreadsheet and a prayer. Jobs get missed, schedules fall apart, and customers call asking where their technician is, and nobody has a good answer. Sounds familiar, right? Well, if your team is still managing work orders with spreadsheets, phone calls, or paper forms, there is a better way, and today we are going to walk you through it. This is Praxedo, a cloud-based tool built for companies that send workers out into the field every single day. Whether you have to do HVAC repairs, plumbing, telecom installs, energy work, or anything in between, Praxedo is built for you. Let's take a look inside. Praxedo has been around since 2005. That's over 20 years of helping field service companies get their operations in order. Right now, more than 1,500 companies and 65,000 users across the world use Praxedo every single day. That is not a small number. These are real businesses from small teams with 5 technicians to large companies running hundreds of workers across multiple regions. Gartner, one of the most respected names in the tech world, has recognized Praxedo as a leader in field service management software for 6 years in a row, consecutive years. So, what does it actually do? Well, simply put, Praxedo connects your office team with your field workers in real time. Everything happens in one place. Scheduling, work orders, customer updates, reports, all of it. No more chasing people down by phone. No more missing jobs because something slipped through the cracks. Let's break it down piece by piece. First, let's look at what the people in the office get. When you log into Praxedo from your desktop or laptop, you see a clean dashboard. Everything your dispatch team needs is right there. Who is working today, where they are, what jobs are open, and what has already been done. Scheduling is one of the biggest things Praxedo does well. You can drag and drop jobs onto a calendar, you can filter by technician skills, location, and availability. And here's the part that is really useful. Praxedo has an AI-powered scheduling tool that looks at your whole day and figures out the most efficient ways to assign jobs. Think about what that means. Instead of your dispatcher spending an hour every morning trying to figure out who should go where, the system does the heavy lifting. It looks at where each technician is, how long each job should take, and what skills are needed. It puts it together and gives you an optimized plan. You can still make changes yourself. You are always in control, but having that smart suggestion as a starting point saves a huge amount of time. The Office dashboard also lets you see everything happening in real time. You can see which technician is on the way to a job, who is on a site, and who has finished and is heading to the next stop. No guessing, no calling around. If something changes, a customer cancels, a job takes longer than expected, a new urgent call comes in, you can update the schedule on the spot and the technician gets notified straight away on their phone. You also get to set up your whole business structure inside Praxedo. Your teams, your regions, your skill categories, your customer accounts, everything gets organized in one place. So the whole system works for how your business actually runs. Now let's talk about the mobile app because this is what your technicians actually use every day. The Praxedo app works on both iOS and Android. Your technicians download it on their phone or tablet and suddenly they have everything they need right in their pocket. When a technician starts their day, they open the app and see their full job list. Every work order has all the details attached, the customer's address, the history of previous visits, and any notes from the office, and any documents or manuals they might need on the job. No more calling the office to ask for the customer's door code. No more showing up without the right information. Everything is there before they even get out of the van. One of the best things about Praxedo's app is that it works even without internet access. We all know what it's like. A technician is working in a basement or in a rural area or somewhere with a weak signal. With a lot of other apps, that's a problem. With Praxedo, it's not. The app keeps working in offline mode, and as soon as the connection comes back, everything syncs up automatically. On site, the technician can update the work order in real time. They can check off completed tasks, take photos, collect the customer's signature, and fill out a digital report, all from the app. Photos taken in the field can be automatically attached to the work order report. This is really useful for before and after documentation, quality checks, or just keeping a record of what was found on site. You can also build custom forms inside Praxedo. So if your business needs technicians to fill in a specific checklist for every job, safety checks, equipment readings, installation steps, you can set that up in the system and it shows up on the app exactly as you want it. Here is something that a lot of field service companies overlook: the experience the customers have on the day of the job. Think about how frustrating it is when you're waiting for someone to come to your house and you think you have no idea when they're going to arrive. You've been given a 4-hour window and you just have to wait and sit. This is not a great experience. Praxedo helps you fix that. You can set up automatic notifications that go out to customers by emails or text message, letting them know when their job is booked, when the technician is on their way, and when the job is done. That's also a real-time tracking feature. Think of it like tracking a food delivery. Your customer gets a link and they can see where the technician is and get an accurate arrival time. No more mystery windows. No more frustrated phone calls. There is also a customer portal where clients can log in, check on their service history, and even in some cases, book their own appointments. This takes pressure off your office team and gives customers the kind of self-service experience they're used to from other industries. Happier customers mean better reviews, more repeat business, and fewer complaint calls. It's one of the most direct ways Praxedo helps you grow. One question we often hear is, what about the software we are already using? Well, most businesses already have something in place, a customer management system, an accounting tool, an ERP. The last thing you want is a new tool that sits on its own and doesn't talk to anyone else. Praxedo is built to connect. It has a wide range of connectors for popular business software. Think like Salesforce, SAP, Sage, QuickBooks, and many more. There's also an open API, which means your technician team can connect it to just about anything your business uses. When Praxedo connects to your existing systems, information flows automatically. A job created in your CRM shows up in Praxedo without anyone having to type it in again. When a job is completed in Praxedo, the details can flow straight into your billing system. This kind of automation saves real time and reduces the chance of human error. Setting up Praxedo is something the company takes seriously. They provide a guided setup process, a support team that helps you get configured, and ongoing support after you go live. You are not just handed the software and let to figure it out alone. Let's talk about the cost. Praxedo is priced per user per month. There are 4 main plans to choose from, and plans are available for businesses with a minimum of 5 users. The basic plan starts at $39 per user per month. This is aimed at smaller businesses that need the core features like scheduling, work orders, and the mobile app. The advanced plan is $69 per user per month and adds more features for growing businesses. The optimized plan comes in at $99 per user per month, and the automated plan, which includes the AI-powered scheduling and the most advanced features, is $149 per user per month. For larger businesses, there are custom plans available too. It's also worth noting the pricing excludes one-time setup and implementation fees, so make sure you factor that in when you're comparing options. Is it cheap? No, not compared to the very basic tools out there. But when you look at what you get, and more importantly, what you save in time, in missed jobs, in customer complaints, the return on investment can be very strong. Many Praxedo customers report a fast return on their investment. Praxedo is built for businesses that send workers out into the field. That covers a lot of ground. The most common industries using Praxedo include telecom companies managing installs and repairs, energy and water utility systems, HVAC and refrigeration businesses, plumbing companies, and any other trade or technical service that handles work orders and on-site visits. It works well for both small businesses with just a handful of technicians and larger companies with teams spread across multiple regions or countries. If your team is managing more than a few jobs a day and things are starting to feel chaotic, Praxedo is worth looking at seriously. So, what is the bottom line? Praxedo is a solid, well-established tool for field service management. It does not try to be everything for everyone. It focuses on one thing, helping businesses that manage field workers do better jobs. If you want to see it for yourself, Praxedo offers a free demo. You get a walkthrough of the platform with someone from their team tailored to your specific type of business. Go have a look for yourself, and if this video helped you understand Praxedo better, give it a like and subscribe for more honest software reviews. We'll see you in the next one.